friends, and welcome back to the channel. This is the usual introducing. I can't say nothing different. Hello my friends, yes my friends, and comment, like and subscribe, how are you? What can I say? Always the same things, but I think what's blimp. Okay, today we are here for this car. This is the second video. In the first one I presented you the car. Now we are here to work. It's in pretty good conditions, not too much to do, but little things. First of all, a good wash. The body is just with some dust, and it has some little trouble. The inside is perfect, and come here, near. After a very good wash, what do I have to do on this car? I have two options. Find a BSC 27 MHz receiver with the problems of the transmitter, receiver, the antenna. They keep the signal, yes, no, it's not so perfect. It's not a Futaba super radio, it's just an ACOMS standard cheap, quite cheap radio, the one I use. So yes, I have also a Sanva SA and WA, we say Sanva. Also in Japan, perhaps in Japan they say Sanva. This I need to work the car with all the vintage system. I don't think you are so much interested, because the difference, you feel the difference driving, not looking at a video. So for my enjoyment, personal enjoyment, I prefer so much to use this. This is my usual kit. If you are not a newcomer, you know very well. I carry these parts, receiver and ESC, from car to car. And to have this, I have to prepare this. So I have to change this Velcro, because it's the same on this one. Then the plugs for the engine are very different, because here we have the wires that get inside this black box that I don't know exactly what is it. I mean, it's a stabilizer, maybe there's something electrics inside to keep the current, I don't know. But here the problem is what to do. I don't want to lose this part. Maybe I'll do something so and so. I will add wires with the right connectors. Two piece of wires. Then when I finish to use the car, I can decide if leave this little modification or return back at the original one. And here I will put receiver and ESC. The battery, standard, they don't go. Way too long. Maybe I will use the old one with the hump. I want to have grippy tires, so wash and clean with something that get the sponge smooth, grippy. I will look at for. About the engine, gears, nothing to do. A little spray of oil just to check the geometry. About the body, I used to put this in order to have, you see, under it is not perfect, so with this it will be perfect. But now it's old, it's almost detached. On the other side it's like this. It's not so bad if you look from a certain distance. Here there are some chips I have to pay. This was painted by hand. The first colors from Tamiya for the bodies for polycarbonate were brushing, and you can see all the brushes. So first of all, wash, and now the body is cleaned, shining, perfect. Here there were a strip like this, but was old and I removed. Now we have the glue, so I have to clean with petrol. Then I will apply again. Et le voilà! Nice! And this is done! Changed location for the last works and the test. Today I have to finish the car, so I have to do these wires for the engine to connect the engine with the AC. Then I have to put a little bit of Velcro to glue a little bit of this Velcro here, because this one is the same I have here under, and it doesn't matches. Then what else? Yeah, the wires. I have to make the wires in a shorter way, a better way. I have to work with wires. Then what? Battery. I have this one. Maybe it fits. We can see right now. Play this way. Okay, perfect. And this glues here, 1 and 2, perfect. Wire perhaps here under, or from that side here, we will see. But this is fantastic. Nothing else. Now I do some work, then we go to test it. For the records, I am recording with my very old iPhone SE, how do you say, SE, and perhaps the quality is not so high. I'm sorry for this, but I forgot my camera in the other workshop, so we can manage with old technology. Comment, like and subscribe. Done. The work is done. The car is filled up with electronic parts. This is not in use, but I don't want to lose it because it's the original part. These wires I have to put in a nice way. Here we have the modern part with the old servo, and then we can have a test. Switch on the car. Perfect. Steering. This servo is fantastic. Here there's something to do. And now the engine. Good rotation with this wire connection. We are ready for the test on the track. Very, very happy.